Hi, I'm Ed Baldwin with your weekly wrap-up for Friday, February the 10th. Well, it was another week of back and forth trading in the grain and oilseed markets. The corn and soybean markets, well, they were poised to end the week lower after USDA increased both U.S. corn and soybean ending stocks, but then got a little boost on Friday to finish higher. Wheat as well, it struggled all week on continued poor export sales and a forecast for some rain next week in the southwestern plains. But then it did manage to close a little higher at the end of the week. The US dollar, well, it was higher this week as well, which did keep prices in check. Our March canola contract this week was up 60 cents a ton, and it closed at 832.20. The canola, well, it traded both sides of unchanged, and it did manage to squeak out a little gain for the week with some help from some higher soybean oil. The March soybean contract, it was up 11 cents on the week, and it closed at $15.43. The March corn contract, well, it gained 3 cents over the week, closing out at $6.81, where the March oat contract, it was down. It was down 7 cents over the week, closing at $3.77. And the March Minneapolis spring wheat contract, well, it managed to gain a little bit. It was up 8 cents at the end of the week, closing out at $9.30. The wheat struggled most of the week, slipping lower on the poor export sales. However, Russia's renewed aggression here on Friday, wheat prices rallied on fears that the shipping delays and wheat was able to finish the week higher. The Canadian dollar this week, it was up just marginally. Well, it's up 21 basis points overall, closing out at 74.90. The crude oil contract, it was up $6.35 on news that Russia was going to cut back on their production, and it closed at 79.74. For next week, well, we're going to look for some more of the same back and forth trading for now. We'll look for canola to continue to trade either side of that 820 area, with the 800 mark holding as support. For spring wheat, well, spring wheat prices have run into resistance and could pull back. We are looking for prices to pull back from this 930 area with support down in the $9. I'm Ed Baldwin with your weekly wrap-up for Friday, February the 10th.